southeast throughout Norquay and into the Duck Mountain Provincial Park area of Manitoba later this afternoon and evening. Right now we've just got basically blue skies. Gonna hopefully see some Q clouds start forming in the next 45 minutes to an hour, and yeah, we'll go from there. See what happens. If this storm can go up, it's capable of producing all hazard types, strong hail, tornadoes, damaging winds, anything along those lines. So we'll be out here covering this today, and we will see what happens. We are just northeast of Lady Lake, Saskatchewan. We have this beautiful severe thunderstorm to our northwest coming at us pretty quick. I'll turn you around a better look. See, we have this gorgeous base forming right here. Right now the severe thunderstorm warning says up to nickel-sized hail. Wouldn't be surprised if that gets bigger in the next few minutes here. This thing's really starting to come together though. Again, this is just northeast of Lady Lake, Saskatchewan.
Your destination is on the right.